Hello, I'm Delicious Amy and you're welcome to my channel. Today we wrap up our grill series for this month with this delicious beef kebab recipe. Kindly sit back and trust me, you'll enjoy the process. My bamboo Swekers are 8 inches long. I will advise you use Swekers that fits in your grilling pan perfectly. This recipe I'm using the beef tenderloins, and that's because they don't require so much cooking time. Also, kindly ensure you don't cut your beef against the grain, along the grain. Cut your beef against the grain because cutting your beef along the grain toughens it. Do not forget we are making beef kebab, so you want to use soft and easily cooked meat, because if you end up with toughened beef, you will spend so much time grilling this beef and you might not achieve that tenderness. Kindly trim off the fat in your beef if you don't like seeing fat in your beef. For me, it's my choice, it's my preference, but for you, if you don't like fat in your beef, you can trim them off. Kindly soak your Swekers in warm water for 10 to 30 minutes before grilling, as this will prevent the Swekers from cooking alongside with the food. To season my beef, I used my homemade onion, ginger and garlic paste. I added 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon my beef seasoning, 1 teaspoon my all-purpose mix. This is all-purpose spice mix, contains a lot of spices which I'll be listing in the description box, and also a teaspoon of meat tenderizer to soften the meat, and also a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, and also 1 teaspoon of sage. All these ingredients will be listed in the description box. Kindly check the description box for accurate measurement and also for the health benefits of using the spices. Add some colors and vegetables to this dish. As you all know, I'm a vegetable lover. I eat a lot of vegetables and I love using colorful vegetables. That's because I believe colors brings life to every dish. Kindly check the description box for the health benefits of incorporating bell peppers in your dish. Shout out to Vicky's Corner and Ada Unleashed. They are both YouTubers based in Nigeria. They're doing an awesome job in their channel. I'll be leaving the link to their channel in my description box. Kindly go to their channel and show them some love. Kindly look at the right side of your screen where the subscribe button is located. Kindly ensure you're subscribed, and also when you subscribe to my channel, please turn on your notification bell. There you will see all the personalized and none. Please click on the all button so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified, because some of my subscribers complain they don't get notified when I upload new videos. Kindly ensure you turn on your notification bell and make sure it's all, yes, so that when I upload videos, even YouTube shorts and YouTube videos, you will get notified. Thank you. Our beef has been marinating for 30 minutes. So now it's time to arrange the beef on the Swekers. I also want to stress it at this point that be creative. Be creative with your dish, be creative with your food. Arrange your colors in a beautiful way, because when you present your dish, you want your guests to crave it even before tasting it. Use colorful vegetables. The vegetables available to me at that particular time were just bell peppers and tomatoes. That's because I made use of what I already have in my fridge. But please, when you want to make this dish, try to use colorful vegetables. Colorful vegetables adds this beautiful look to beef kebab. I remember the first time I used my grilling pan, I encountered this issue. My beef got burnt even before cooking, and I discovered the mistake I made was I started grilling my beef on a very high heat. So I would advise you, if it's your first time using a grilling pan, kindly reduce the heat to the medium or to the lowest. Grill your beef at a low temperature. Then you can start adjusting the temperature as the beef starts cooking. Why am I saying grill your beef at a low temperature? That's because if your beef gets burnt without cooking, you will end up with raw meat. And knowing fully well that raw meat can be poisonous. I have my homemade suya spice. I added some salt to my suya spice. That's because when I was making the suya spice, I didn't add salt, and then some vegetable oil to achieve this easy running consistency. I then brush on my suya spice on my already grilled kebab. I also want to note at this point that kindly make sure your beef is 90% ready. That's because immediately you add the suya spice to the beef kebab, they start burning, especially if you're grilling your beef on a high temperature. So kindly ensure your beef are 90% done. So when you brush on the suya spice, you just toss it for the next 1 minute and you take them out. I also want to note that when you're grilling your beef kebab, your vegetables will definitely change color. So do not worry, they are fine, they are even tastier. Your vegetables will change color because they are going through that heat process, and the suya spice is red in color. So in a way, it hides the beautifulness of the vegetables, which is easy, which is acceptable. So what I'll just advise you do is you can add more vegetables, more colorful vegetables to the end of the Swekers and to the other side of the Swekers, just to add more colors. creators in the house, kindly introduce yourself in the comment section. Let's get to know you. Let my subscribers get to know you. And please support every content creator in the comment section. They are all doing an amazing job. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always clicking on my videos. God bless you. Till I see you another time, kindly stay blessed and keep doing good.